Intelligent Design Scientific Publications. 1. Peer-reviewed and mainstream scientific publications supporting intelligent design. My comment: it is not uncommon for evolution believers to claim that intelligent design has no scientific publications. However, that claim is false. Quote, Center for Science and Culture, CSC, while intelligent design, ID, is still a relatively new scientific field, it has seen significant growth in its research program and produced a strong record of over 200 peer-reviewed scientific publications, appearing in journals such as Journal of Theoretical Biology, PLOS One, Biocomplexity, Journal of Bacteriology, Journal of Molecular Biology, Journal of Mathematical Biology, Complexity, Theoretical Biology and Medical Modeling, Life, Entropy, Quarterly Review of Biology, Frontiers in Bioscience, Acta Biotheoretica, Biomimetics, Biomimetics and Bioinspiration, Systems Engineering, Journal of the Royal Statistical Society, Journal of Biosemiotics, Origins of Life and Evolution of Biospheres, Revista de Biología, Biology Forum, Frontiers in Robotics and AI, Perspectives in Biology and Medicine, Protein Science, Physics Essays, Physica Scripta, Encyclopedia of Life Sciences, Journal of Engineering Design, Proceedings of the Biological Society of Washington, Annual Review of Genetics, and others. My comment: so, it is completely false for atheists to claim that ID has no scientific publications. Quote, CSC, collectively, this research is converging on a consensus. Many complex features of life in the universe cannot arise by unguided processes, e.g., Darwinian evolution, but indicate an intelligent cause. This body of work also shows that intelligent design is a legitimate scientific field worthy of consideration by the scientific community. Many of these peer-reviewed pro-ID publications are listed and described below. My comment: we will list examples of these in later videos in this series. Quote, CSC, despite its impressive publication record, critics have often claimed that pro-ID scientists don't do relevant research, don't publish it in peer-reviewed journals, don't contribute to the progress of scientific knowledge, or don't engage with the broader scientific community. A guiding purpose behind this list is to show that those accusations are absolutely false. My comment: we will list examples of these in later videos in this series. Quote, CSC. We must also note two important qualifications which show that the accomplishments of ID listed here are understated. My comment: it is an atheist myth that an idea is true only if it is published in peer-reviewed literature, see below. Quote, CSC. First, recognition in peer-reviewed or mainstream literature is not an absolute requirement to demonstrate an idea's scientific merit. Darwin's own theory of evolution was first published in a book, The Origin of Species, intended for a general and scientific audience, not in a peer-reviewed paper. Moreover, because ID is a minority scientific field, its supporters often face what historian of science Thomas Kuhn called intolerance from normal scientists, who protect the reigning paradigm of evolutionary biology. As a result, ID frequently does not receive fair consideration for publication in mainstream peer-reviewed scientific journals or similar venues. This makes its peer-reviewed scientific publication record all the more impressive. ID has generated many peer-reviewed scientific publications, despite the intolerance and unfair treatment that it regularly faces. My comment: many scientists have experienced hostility from peer reviewers when their ideas have challenged the generally accepted views in that field. This has been documented by many scientists. This is the case with ID, but also with other fields of science. Quote, CSC. Second, an idea, theory, argument, concept, or claim need not be science in order to be true. A core tenet of ID thinking is the rejection of scientism, the view that science is the only valid pathway to true knowledge. ID proponents resoundingly reject scientism, recognizing that while science has provided many benefits to our world and is a wonderful way of knowing, to find insights into nature, it is certainly not the only way to gain knowledge. Thus, while this page lists many pro-ID scientific publications, it also includes a section listing peer-reviewed philosophical publications that support design. My comment: we have discussed in other videos that scientism is false, i.e., science is not the only way to come to truth. Quote, CSC. Despite these caveats, it's undeniable that science is a highly influential and powerful force in the modern world, and that in many domains peer review remains the gold standard for assessing whether a claim holds scientific merit. Thus, while something need not be scientific to be true, and something need not be published in peer-reviewed venues to have scientific merit, it's also important to recognize that ID has generated many peer-reviewed scientific publications. This peer-reviewed publication record shows that ID is a serious scientific theory backed by a community of credible scientists, and that ID deserves, and is receiving, serious consideration by the scientific community. My comment. In future videos in this series, we will discuss some of the peer-reviewed scientific publications that support intelligent design. Conclusion. 1. It is not uncommon for evolution believers to claim that intelligent design has no scientific publications. However, that claim is false. 2. The field of intelligent design has had many scientific publications. We will discuss examples in future videos in this series. A list of scientific publications is provided in the pinned comment below this video. Thanks to the Center for Science and Culture. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and comment below if you agree, or would like to add your thoughts.